Welcome back to our channel, where we provide helpful tutorials for computer enthusiasts. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of downloading and installing ChatGPT on your computer, whether it's a Windows PC or a MacBook. So let's get started. The first step is to visit the ChatGPT website, which is chat.openai.com. Once you're there, on the website, regardless of the device you're using, the process is the same. For Windows PC users, look in the top right hand corner of your Google Chrome browser. Click on the icon that says Customize and Control Google Chrome. From the drop down menu, hover your mouse over More Tools and then click on Create Shortcut. A dialog box will appear, prompting you to create a shortcut. Enter the name, ChatGPT for this instance, and click on Create. This will create a shortcut for ChatGPT on your desktop, allowing you to quickly and easily access it. MacBook users, don't worry, the process is just as straightforward. Locate the Launchpad area on your MacBook and you should find the ChatGPT application there. Simply click and drag the ChatGPT icon to your preferred location on the bottom toolbar. Once you have your ChatGPT shortcut or application in place, you can click on it to open up the program. Now you're ready to start using ChatGPT and unleash its capabilities. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable tutorials like this one.